Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually just filmed this video, but my camera erased all the data on my card. I'm still learning how to use this Canon 80D and apparently I just messed it up. So let me just quickly go through with you what I got in my Fabfitfun box for the month, for the season of winter. It's this huge box. It has this really pretty fireside print thing on it. It looks really nice and I really do like everything I got in the box. So sorry it's not gonna be like my first impressions of opening the box. It's because my camera's stupid. Or no, stop that. I'm stupid. But let's go through it anyway. So I opened the box and the first thing that I got was this. It says it's Christmas and it's basically my code for $10 off another box. So pretty much you get a Fabfitfun box for $39.99 instead of $49.99. So you save $10 whole. Which is cool. So I will leave my code down below, as well as another code I think I have for anytime. I think this is a one-time only. Yeah, this is a one-time only, but I have like an always code I'll put down below. It gets you 10 bucks off your box, and speaking from experience, to just unbox this, it's worth every penny. So the next thing over here is actually from HelloFresh, and it is $60 off HelloFresh, so it's $20 off the first 3 boxes. That's math. And it's plus free shipping, and I was thinking that perhaps like Claudio and I, he's in Louisiana right now, he's always traveling, but when he comes home I think he's gonna stay home for a while and try to get work around here. So I think maybe this would be a really cute dinner night. Claudio, if you're watching this, would this be a cute dinner night? So I think I'm actually going to use this. I think this would be really cute. He likes cooking, I'm terrible, but I like to try, so this would be just so cute. Alright, and then we have the pamphlet for Fabfitfun, and we're just going to go through all the products. I have some on my lap, so we'll go through them, and I'll try to tell you how excited I was when I opened them, because I was ridiculously excited. So I'm just going to open to the page in the magazine that has all of the things. This time it's color-coded. If it's in like a mint green, then everyone gets them in the box, and we have 3 things that everyone gets in the box. If it is like a mildly deep blue, it's all members, which means all members get to customize or choose. And then if it's deep purple, it's select members, meaning select members get to customize the entirety of their box. I get to pick 3 products. So yeah, let's just get into this. I'm going to do this better this time. I'm just going to lay this right down here. So the first thing that I actually have in my lap is these. This is from Bear Paw, and they are the combo set, the headband and the pop top glove duo. I'm going to try to make this work this time. I don't know how to look cute wearing these. I don't know how people look cute. Oh, well, see, look, my hair is doing a thing. Let me just pull it. It's so warm, though. I just put it on and my head feels warm. And then we have these cute hobo gloves with actually like a little thing to make the mittens. And I don't usually use these, but wow, my head is so warm. I didn't put this on in the last video. I'm going to keep this on. And then it comes with these hobo gloves, which also feel super nice and soft. This retails for $45, and if you get Fabfitfun, you pay $50 for the box, so this is pretty much worth the box to start with. And the literature says, it says, slip on the ultra soft 100% polyester Sherpa line headband. Oh, I did. And fingerless gloves to beat the winter chill all season long. I'm definitely going to. This is so warm on my head. I'm actually going to take it off. Wow. I was not prepared for that. Oh, as I mentioned in my first time filming this, I do have some makeup on. This is the makeup I've been doing for the last like week and a half because I'm in callbacks. No, I'm in auditions. I did that last time too. I'm in auditions for the show I'm directing next semester with my best friend Elise. I've put Elise on my channel before. And so I wanted to look like sort of a human, but I'm also going to be there till midnight tonight. So there's that. Okay, the next thing in the box is on my lap, and this is a blanket. It looks like this, and it comes from Mark and Graham. These come in 2 colors. I could have either gotten a gray and ivory, or I got a natural and ivory, and let me tell you, this is the warmest blanket I've ever used, and it's so thin. I would never have expected it to be, like, it's this thin. Get that showing up well. It's this thin, and yet my lap feels ridiculously warm. I was so surprised. Like, I was excited when I first got it, but then I was like, left it on my lap, and I'm just like, wow, this is way more like comfortable than I expected it to be. Anyway, I love it so much. Okay, and that retails for $49. The literature says Cozy up with this woven throw, which features a striped design and a cool fringe detailing. Oh yeah, it has fringe detailing. I forgot to get fringe detailing. Alright, next thing in the box is in my lap, and I did get to customize this hair product. I also did get to customize this one. You could have either gotten this headband and this, or you could have gotten a treatment mask for your hair, but if you learn anything from my channel, I don't know how to do anything with my hair, and I don't exercise. So I did not get the hair thing. I did customize this one. These are socks. And they are, what are these? Knee-high? These are over the knee socks. So I thought when I finally get like knee-high boots, like I could like fold these over the top and like kind of look cute. These retail for $24. And what I thought was so cool about this is actually made from recycled wool. Did I get that right? Recycled yarn. This is actually made from recycled yarn, which is amazing. It's like so eco-friendly and awesome. We're reusing things. They feel really soft. They look really nice. They're socks. You could have either gotten a roller, like a jade roller, or a palette. But I figured since I am the coldest person I know, like it could be 95 degrees in my house and I could be cold. Let me cozy up with the most cozy products, which is why I got these two and why I was so excited when the blanket was coming in my box. Alright, next product. Let me see, where did I put them all? Oh, right next to me. So the next product in the box, actually everyone is getting. This is from Ahava, and this is the Hydration Cream Mask. It retails for $33. Did I tell you the price? Yes, I did. It retails for $33. It says, enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E, this rich, creamy mask softens, smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. It just looks like this. We actually sell Ahava at the store I work at, but it's probably all expired, so I've never tried it. But this looks awesome because it says, tip, I can use this as a 3-minute hydration boost or an overnight sleeping mask. And I have been using the new, what is that brand? Oh, I've been using the new Belief sleeping mask, the hydration sleeping mask, and I woke up and my skin was dry. Like, my skin is so dry that it sucked up all the moisture from the sleeping mask. So maybe this one will be different. I'm honestly just into trying anything that could possibly make my skin not be the Mojave Desert, the Sahara Desert. We'll see, but I'm so excited to try this, and it's a really great size. I don't know. Of course, everything in here is full size. It's Fabfitfun. They don't play around. They give you how it is. Alright, next thing in the box is this. These are from Elevate. These are the 2E essential oils. And I don't know how to use essential oils. Claudio does have an essential oil diffuser. I've already been talking for 8 minutes. Wow. Claudio does have an essential oil diffuser. So I thought about giving them to him until I read the literature, which says that these two, because I have eucalyptus and sweet orange, and it says, unlike typical essential oils, these oils can be applied directly to the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, while sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. I have the worst stomach problems, I think, I don't know, this is dramatic to say anyone, but I have the worst stomach problems of anyone I know. I went to London last year, and the first day I got so sick that I slept in the bathroom. And I couldn't eat for 4 days. I was living off of bread and mineralized water. So perhaps this will help me with my intense stomach pains. I will go see a doctor eventually. They just all think I'm crazy. And sore muscles is great because I plan on going back to the gym when Claudio gets home. Will I do it? I hope. I really hope so. I liked going to the gym, but I just don't like going alone. Alright, the next item in the box is this. This is from Black. And this, hold for the dialect, I did take a course on this, I hope it sounds pretty legit. Late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget the carb-on-carb delights can have our peppers looking well not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and put on our activated charcoal mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. Yeah, self. These are, I guess, a British brand. No one says cheeky wines in the United States. So there are 5 masks, and these have wow, if I could only pronounce this word. Hyaluronic acid. There we go, I did it. And these retail for... Oh, okay. These retail for $29. It's a mess. And it says leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and it will deep puff your eyes. I'm gonna need that because honestly this final month I'm gonna say is kicking my ass. I actually have 2 finals today and a paper due today, and then next week I have a paper due Monday, a test on Thursday, a paper due Wednesday, I have induction on Friday, I have to work. I'm legitimately drowning, but it's fine. This is the best 4 years of my life. Alright, next in the box is another thing that I got to customize. I could have gotten this, a dry shampoo, but we know I can't do anything with hair, or a jewelry box, and I don't have jewelry, so I got one. So this is from Lily Sadoi, I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. And this is a little circle necklace. Does it have a name to it? No, this is just the silver circle necklace. I felt that I don't wear a lot of necklaces. I only wear the one that Claudio bought me the first year we were together, and a necklace that I actually bought for my friend Elise, like Thick and Thin from Brian Anthony. And I've been wearing that. That's the only 2 ones I wear, but I figured like I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and maybe like try to accessorize my life. And I thought this was like perfect, like with a nice like high neck sweater like that underneath, or even like a low cut thing. I just feel like this is so simple and classy that I can probably figure this. I can probably figure this out. Again, another thing I love about Fabfitfun is that I would never go into the store and pick this out for myself, but it excites me that I have the option of perhaps learning how to use new products. I'm sorry if I'm looking over here. I'm used to having my viewfinder like up top. I've been using, why can't I get this in here? I've been using the Canon EOS M3 for about a year, and I've just bought this 80D on Black Friday sale. So I'm not yet used to it, but I am trying. So if I'm looking to the side a lot right over here, it's because this is where my viewfinder is. But I'm learning. I'm trying. I really am. It's just very difficult not to look at my face because I'm used to it being right in my face. Alright. Next thing in the box is from Bite Beauty. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. Have you ever seen John Ralphio where he's like, she's the worst? I've been doing that lately. So this is in the shade Meringue, and Bite Beauty is one of those brands that I look at and I lust after. It is so expensive though. I know this is $26, and when I flipped, yeah, it's $26. And this is what it looks like. It's the shade Meringue. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like my perfect nude. I'm in love with it. Look at that. So this is a brand that I really lust after, but it's so goddamn expensive that I really can't justify it, because I can go to CVS and get a 99-cent Wet n Wild lipstick and it work so good. Like, I don't know, I just can't justify spending that kind of money on a lipstick. Like, I could get like a mascara for this and something else. I could get 2 lipsticks. I could get a lot from ColourPop for this. It's just, it's hard to justify spending it, and I've never actually had a Bite Beauty product that I could be like, oh, it's totally worth the money. I hear it is. So now I get to see if it is totally worth the money. Alright, and the last thing here is from, oh, I'm sorry. You could have customized, if you were like a yearly member, this, you could have either gotten the Bite Beauty lipstick I got, you could have gotten a coaster set, which actually looks really cute, or you could have gotten body sliders. I assume that is something working out, and I cannot do that. Also, instead of the oils, you could have gotten a Sea Whip body cream from Anthropology. So I did actually put this on my face. This is from Bite Beauty. No, this is not. I did actually put this on my face. The last product is from Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener Stick in the shade Stella. And whenever I think Stella, I think like Stella, which is Marlon Brando from A Streetcar Named Desire, when he was the main character of A Streetcar Named Desire. I can only think of Blanche and Stella right now. I don't know his name. I want to say Marlon, but that's not right. What is his name? Stanley! Oh my god, it's Stanley! Whew, thank you, my high school history. Thank you, high school theater. So that's what I think of when I see this. This is a really pretty, just pretty basic shade. It's definitely just to like brighten inner corners and perhaps the top of the eye. I don't even know if you can see it on here. I guess it's picking up that little bit right there. I put it on my inner corners and I put it on my brow bone, and I think it works really well. It's definitely creamier than a lot of these like brightener sticks that I have gotten in the past, which makes me excited. I do know that Thrive Cosmetics has a lawsuit against them right now because their big like mission statement is that everything you buy they will donate to a woman in need, and apparently that's not where it's going. So I don't know the parameters on that. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm just putting that out there. Full disclosure. And yeah, so that is everything I got in the box, and I totaled it up last video, and the value of this box is $310, which is so crazy because you get it for 50 bucks every 3 months. And actually I thought about canceling Fabfitfun this season. I was like, I don't know, like I saw the spoiler, which was this blanket, and I was like, that's so basic, like I'm not gonna like it. And I didn't really like last month's box. I don't remember exactly what I got in it, but I know that I did not get any use out of most of those products. I finally used the teapot literally 2 days ago. I don't even know what happened to all the stuff that came in that box, to be honest. I probably gave it away. So I didn't know if it was going to be worth it, if I was going to use this season's box. I don't know why I say month, this season's box, but I'm actually really happy I stayed on. Perhaps it was just a bad box for me, but this box is crazy good. I'm so happy I stayed with it, and I really think this is worth all the money I put into it. And I legitimately love every single product that I got in this box this season. I will be using this for the rest of my life, and yeah, look at me now. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Just a disclosure, as I mentioned before, I have 2 finals today. Finals week is kicking my ass in the most severe way. I also do have auditions today and callbacks on Friday, and I have a paper due Monday and a test on Thursday and a paper due on Wednesday, as well as monologues due the next week and a paper due the week after that, and a paper due actually for the monologues that I have to do. I have so much stuff to do. I had a mental breakdown about it yesterday, but I wasn't even going to film this video, honestly. I was just going to be like, no, I'm not going to have Fabfitfun, but I need something to just make me happy, and honestly, filming and YouTube makes me so happy. It like cleanses my soul. So that is why this video is here. I will try to have this up by Monday. I wanted to have it up by Friday, but there is no way in hell I could do that. So I'm going to try to have this video up by Monday. If I don't, it's because of my finals. But I do plan on doing Vlogmas the last week in December because my last final is due the 21st. So I figure from the 20th to the 24th, I guess, I'm going to try to do Vlogmas. So let's see how that works. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to. I promise I'll be consistent once school ends, and I'll see you in my next video.